You might notice I'm adding it to any course in the introductory section, but just in case, some suggestions to improve your learning. For a better learning experience, change your settings to HD. Depending on your internet connection, the quality of your video lesson should be better on your playing device. This course includes closed captions, at least in English. So if you want to watch videos quietly or defeat noise, it's a good idea to turn them on. Or maybe it's just easier for you to take video lessons if you also see the subtitles. It would be also a good idea to check for additional resources for every video lesson. Most of the time an audio version will be available and a PDF presentation. Some documents will be posted as an independent lesson, but the others will have learning aids in the resources section. Use the discussion board for questions and to invite our student colleagues to share personal experiences. Interaction will improve your learning. And I'll be here to help. It might not be easy to be the first one to ask a question or make a comment, I know, but I will take care of it and start a discussion. If you are on a computer or iPad type device, you can also take notes. Or you can just use pen and paper. I am not saying you should, but this is also very helpful to improve retention. And you'll find an easy reference if you need to revisit the course. You have this option and you will see by yourself that note-taking while watching video lectures is highly effective. There will be some exercises to complement end-of-section quizzes. For some it would help to stop the video for 1 or 2 minutes and try to respond before continuing. Every time I will give the correct answer so you can compare. Of course, you can just continue without stopping, but it's good if you try your hand on the question before comparing. It might be that for some exercises you will need more time and to work on a template. I use this for skill development and I believe in practice. Most of the time you learn more from this than from my presentation, so take your time and do it as guided. You are the client, so you have the right to make suggestions and to ask for more. I know you feel the need to be nice and appreciate the effort, but please, if you need something related to the course, feel free to ask. I'll be here to respond. At the end of the course, a review would be very much appreciated. You are not required, of course, but it helps me improve the course and it helps other potential students to make a choice. For technical issues, I might help. If not, there is Udemy technical support. Whatever is not working, please write me or Udemy. Happy learning and see you in the course.